Hello everyone, I am unboxing this package I got from Dreamers Club. I recently ordered from them for the first time. They are a streetwear slash loungewear brand that has designs with all these different meaningful messages. I have been wanting to order from them for a little bit, so I ordered this. I ordered a hoodie and sweatpants from them. They're matching. It's a set. It's so cute looking whenever I see it on other people, so I'm really excited. Something else that's very cool about them is they have an ambassadors program. I signed up for it after I ordered and I got in, so I have a link as well as a 10% off discount code for you to use. The link will be in the description. But here's the thing, even though I signed up for the ambassador program, right, like I'm gonna be real with how I feel about all of this stuff. I'm not trying to lie to anybody, just so you know. Let's talk shipping real quick. It took a while to get to me, but I don't think it's their fault. When I was looking at the tracking, I saw they shipped it out like the day after I had ordered it. So they were very quick with it. The thing is, they're in Canada. It just looked like it took a while for it to get through customs, get over into the US. So I don't blame them for it, but it did take like 2 weeks. So just keep that in mind if that's something that you're like worried about. The items are a little bit more pricey compared to some other places, but one thing that they do that I think is really cool is they donate 15% of their profits. So even though the cost is a little bit more, it does feel good knowing that some of the money that I was spending is going to be going toward those organizations. I'm gonna open it now. I'm so excited, you guys. Like which I've been waiting. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, okay. They gave a bunch of extra. Actually, let's look at this first. I was gonna set it down, but let me, okay. Oh, this is cute. So this thing, it's the Dreamers Club Handbook, is what it says. It talks about the 15% of the purchase going toward the different groups such as Autism Nova Scotia, Inclusion BC, the Code Initiative, and Pacific Autism Family Network. I think that's really cool. They also just have like a little message from the founder in here and stuff like, oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'll set this down. Wait, this is so cute. It's a little card and it just says like authenticity certificate. This card certifies the authenticity of your Dreamers Club purchase and confirms that the items were made with the utmost love and care. With the possession of this card, you are certified as an official member of the Dreamers Club. So cute. This is so cute. I love, see, one of the things about buying from like brands that maybe aren't as big or whatever is they always include such cute things with their packaging. It makes me extra happy to open them. 2 little stickers too. Oh, this is so cute. Now the goods. So I bought the Thanks for Being Here set. I got the cream color. I was debating so much between the black and the cream. I had to do the cream. Like I wear so much more black, but the blue color that they used for the print, I really liked it. So okay, we're gonna open it. Actually no, let me not do the hoodie first. I'm gonna do the pants first because I feel like the hoodie is like the cherry on top, you know? So they do feel really like nice and thick and good quality. I got a large in this and the hoodie. They feel really nice and thick. Like I know it's about to get warmer and stuff now, but this would have been really good if I had had it when it was colder. They have a little Dreamers Club design down here at the bottom of the pant. I'm just gonna set this over here for now. Yeah, okay. It's time for the hoodie. The hoodie was the main thing that oh my god, I was obsessed with. It feels so nice. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this design on the back. It's so cute. So the little design on the back says, thanks for being here. Seriously. I love it. I'm really trying. I'm really trying to be like a more positive person in general, right? And so I really do resonate with the brand's image itself. The color combo, so cute. The front of it, I love the little logo. It's, oh my gosh. Yeah, no, it's super thick. So prices, I should mention prices. The sweatpants I believe were $45. I might be wrong, but I think they were $45. The hoodie was $70, which again, I know it's more expensive. It feels super nice and thick. Like it's not like Forever 21 quality, Shein quality, you know, like it's thick and it's made much more responsibly than some other brands, so that's why it is more expensive. I really like it. Something that I do like about the hoodie that I don't know if other people would or not, so it might be worth mentioning, there's no strings in the actual hood. I kind of like that. I feel like it looks like extra clean. I don't know how to explain it. That might not be the right way to explain it, but I like the look of it a lot. The little embroidery says members only. It's so cute. I'm in love with it. Okay, I know I haven't even put it on yet. It better fit. I'm sure it'll be fine, but like, you know, it better fit. Okay, we're gonna try it on. I put some slippers on because y'all aren't getting that for free. This is what the set looks like. I think it's so comfortable. The hoodie I feel like is perfect in this size. Again, I got a large and everything. I would say I may have wanted to size up in the pants. They fit fine. They're still comfortable. I just kind of prefer it a little looser. It is comfy. The little design on the back. This is so good. Low-key, like, maybe look at the black one too. No, I don't know. I don't know if I should do that. If you have any other questions about the items or the brand that I didn't talk about at all, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to respond to the best of my ability. It feels so comfy, man. It was worth it. I don't even care. For me personally, it's a personal thing, but like, it was worth it to me, you know? And reminder again that I have a 10% off discount code if you would like to use it. If you're not sure about this color or any of the other colors that they have a lot of other designs with different colors, and they're kind of constantly releasing new things, so I do recommend checking them out. It definitely was worth it. Like, I'm really excited. It's so comfy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.